नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. From today I will give a series of satsangs on different planes of the universe, dimensions of Mahasadashiva. First thing I wanted to share with you all, when I map down the cosmic silence of Dakshinamurti into the verbalization in the language you understand, listen. Ultimately, Sadashiva's silence is the greatest teaching, where you vibrate in his very frequency, in the oneness. Words are not even used to remind you about the oneness. Words used to remind you about the oneness and to put you in oneness also is only plan B, not plan A. Understand? Ultimate truth becomes your experience in Sadashiva's reverberant silence, where the cosmic sound and the cosmic silence becomes one and the same. Mauna, understand the word mauna means mana vibrates with its source is mauna. Your frequency is so high, so intense, so alive to the cosmic frequency. Words lose its power over you, or words have no meaning. That is the ultimate state. But till you raise to sit without attitude, understand, to experience Sadashiva's silence, you need the space of not having attitude. Understand? Let me explain. Not having attitude. Even while you are sitting, you always hold your victim identity or your authoritative identity. Your inner image should not be active active. That is what is Mauna. Mauna means your inner image should not be releasing thought currents from its cognitions. It should not be releasing either cognitions or thought currents. Having inner image while you are sitting is having attitude. You always think attitude means you behave style, drr, brr, brr, and you behave weird. The attitude queens who think only if you behave cranky and weird, to get attention or because you got attention. To get attention or because you got attention. You think only if you behave weird and stupid, it is attitude. No. Even if you are sitting, if your inner image is active, it is having attitude. To taste Sadashiva's silence, you should drop attitude, inner image. Your inner image should not be active. I tell you, that is simply possible. You just go and sit with our banyan tree, breathe along with banyan tree, that's all. Decide, Mahadeva. See, understand, our banyan tree is literally Mahadeva, alive. Mahadeva, I'll breathe along with you, that's all, nothing else. No attitude, no inner image, no outer image. Anything other than we both breathe together is attitude, I am dropping it. Sit with our Kalpavriksha, which is Sadashiva himself, Mahadeva himself. Sit with Mahadeva, Sadashiva, breathing Sadashiva is our banyan tree. We are going to have a Tirumaligai Patti Mandapam. Today only I gave the direction and it started, work has started. We are going to have a beautiful breathing space Mandapam. Sadashiva's breathing space Mandapam in stone. It will be completed before December, Mahasadashivaham. And I am going to let people sleep in that Mandapam in breathing space. See, that space belongs to many of the other planet beings like Rishi, Muni, Gandharva, Yaksha. All of them come and go. Just today, our Pujari came and told me that a dog has laid puppies and it is keeping inside the cave of the banyan tree. What should we do? I said, don't even go near. It is relationship between both of them. You don't involve or interfere. I said, if at all you can, give food. Whatever Nevedyam you keep, give a little food, but don't even interfere. They both have their own relationship. We should not be interfering with their relationship. And I did not remove the puppy. I said, it has to be there with mother. If you want, give food. If you don't want, don't do that. But you can't touch it. You can't go near. See, that space belongs to all the beings. Because of that, I never allowed you all to use that space. Now I took permission from Mahadeva give little place for human beings. Let these fellows also use. So inside it will be 20 feet wide and full square around the banyan tree. Inside the mandapam, human beings can sit and meditate. They can sit and just breathe with Mahadeva. You can even sleep overnight. And the second floor will be Kasing temple, Kasing Garbha Mandir. It will be 2-floor mandapam. The second floor, where the Sadashiva calls will be continuously attended. People from all over the world can call for prayers and it will be offered to Mahadeva directly. So the whole Kasing temple will move there. Kasing Garbha Mandir, all the prayers, power manifestation, everything will happen in Mahadeva's breathing space. In Sadashiva's breathing space. Just go and sit with Mahadeva. Tell that, let's breathe together. That's all. Nothing else. Understand, sitting without attitude, I can beautifully map the whole truths of the universe and Kailasa into words and pack it with silence. Like how the pizza topping, like that. Satsang topped with Sadashiva's silence. I can top it with Sadashiva's silence and supply to you. And supply to you. See, if you sit with that one decision, no attitude. See, let me tell you, if you sit with the active inner image, the purpose and context for which I generate words will not resonate with you in the same context. Yesterday I explained this Daksha story with a completely different angle. Actually, that is the truth. Always we think, many stupid fellows criticize also. If Daksha did not invite Sadashiva, what is there? Don't go, that's all. Why should you be angry about it? First of all, it is not anger. Second, he is making a statement to all of us. He is making a statement. If I don't come, it will not be complete. It cannot be complete. I am waiting to be called. Our whole life is Dakshayanya only. If we don't call him, it will not be complete. If we call him, invite him only, it will be complete. Understand? The context, reason, purpose with which I utter the words, only if you sit without attitude or inner image, you will receive it as it is. It will become part of your biomemory and muscle memory. Otherwise, here I will be talking about love, there you will be sitting with a lust. Here I will be talking about ferociousness, there you will be thinking of anger. Your fight with your wife is not ferociousness. Be very clear, it is anger. When I talk about ferociousness, you will be imagining your fight with your spouse. Because that is the only ferociousness you know. You took some vessels and threw. No. If you sit with your inner image, I cannot map down Sadashiva's silence into your being. If you sit without attitude, without inner image, and you can learn it very easily, just go and sit with a living Sadashiva. We have breathing Sadashiva, banyan tree. We have breathing Sadashiva. Sit with him and tell, let me just breathe with you. That's all, nothing else. Let me breathe your breathing space. Over. No attitude, no inner image, no thought currents, no cognitions getting released by your inner image. Nothing. Nothing. You breathe, I breathe. I breathe, you breathe. That's all. We breathe. Even if you can sit for 1 or 2 hours, it will be really nice. I personally feel everyone should sit with Sadashiva, living Sadashiva, at least 1 hour a day. Even in the night time, before going to bed. Of course, once the mandapam is ready, you can go and sit in the mandapam. The mandapam will have the access separately. Directly you can go and sit in the mandapam, but you cannot enter out. You cannot go out of the mandapam. See, mandapam will be in the breathing space of Sadashiva, but you cannot walk outside the mandapam because that space I already allotted all the other world beings. It is for them. So this mandapam, I think it will be around 500 feet long and 20 feet wide. 500 into 20. I don't know, whatever square feet. Maybe 10,000 square feet. And 2 floors. So 20,000 square feet. That 20,000 square feet belongs to human beings. You guys can use and enjoy Mahadeva's breathing space, Sadashiva's breathing space. The other place belongs to the beings from other dimensions like Rishi, Muni, Gandharva, and they also will not interfere or come into this zone. You should not step into that zone. That will be the agreement. Both can enjoy Mahadeva's breathing space, and whoever builds, understand, now itself I am telling you, it is going to be around maybe 300 pillars we will be using, and 500 feet long wall we will be building. If you build there, you have built your place in Kailasa. Anybody builds that building, your place in Kailasa is built and reserved. Anybody builds that building, working physically and making it available for Sadashiva in this form which he has assumed to bless the devotees. Understand, this place is Adi Kailasa and Gupta Kailasa. Anybody who builds that place, you have built your private bungalow, private place in Kailasa, it will be there for you forever. Now it is up to you guys. If you sit there and learn breathing with Mahadeva, breathing with Sadashiva, you will know how to sit without attitude. Understand? Sitting without attitude is not concentration, not meditation. Sitting without active inner image. See, if inner image is not active, outer image cannot be active, because everything is centered on that only. No inner image, no outer image, no others image, no life image, nothing. Because if the inner image is not active, all other images cannot be active. It's only after the inner image becomes active, all other images will become active. Sitting without attitude. Sitting without the inner image. If your inner image is not active, you will not even fall asleep. If you breathe with Sadashiva, you will not even fall asleep. You just know how the breathing space of Sadashiva, that prana, enters into your body and enters into all the cells and activates the Kundalini and makes you do the power manifestation. Nothing like Mahadeva and the breathing in Mahadeva's breathing space. Nothing like it. I have decided once this mandapam is complete, we will build the same mandapam in Tiruvannamalai also, for Tiruvannamalai banyan tree. In our Tiruvannamalai Adinam. Tiruvannamalai Adinam, we have the sapling of our banyan tree planted. We will build there also. Breathing with Mahadeva, breathing with Sadashiva. So much can happen in you. So today I will teach the preparation to receive all these great higher dimension truths. Just like few days before how I explained multiple phases of Mahadeva, Sadashiva, I will explain the remaining which I have not yet completed. I will explain about all of them in the further satsangs. Today all of you learn sitting with Sadashiva. Don't go inside the banyan tree. Sit around the temple, even that is breathing space only. Without any attitude, inner image. Just sit. See Just breathe. The air is breathing. That's it. You will directly experience Kailasa. Just breathe. The air is breathing. You will experience Kailasa. You will experience Sadashiva. Nothing else. Just breathing, the air is breathing. Once you learn the knack, it's just a knack. Once you learn that knack, even now you can, even here you can practice. Because my breathing space is more than 6 into 12 feet. My height is 6 and Dvadasanta, 12 feet, 12 into 6. More than 72 feet. 12 times of my height is my breathing space, my prana sarira. So most of you are already in my breathing space. And it is not even restricted to this. I can extend to anybody whom I see. Whoever is in two-way video conferencing, all of you are in my breathing space. Decide to breathe with me, that's all, nothing else. No attitude, no inner image, no outer image, no others image, no life image. Drop. Let me just breathe, is breathing space. So other than breathing, nothing exists. So today, learn breathing, Sadashiva's breathing space. From next satsangs, I'll map the cosmic dimensions of Mahasadashiva, the universe. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.